Hello, my water lemons. Today I'll be teaching you some maths. So the question today is find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of each pair of the numbers. The first question, the first numbers, we have to make it into the highest common factor, HCF, the lowest common multiple, LCM. We have to make those numbers into those. So first we need to do an upside down dividing thing. So it's like division, like long division and short division. It looks like this. But today, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do this. It's upside down. You might think I'm going to have to write upside down for this, but no. Because you just write 12 here, 42 here, and then what do we divide by it? How about 2? And then 6. We have to divide by 2 because those two numbers inside, those two numbers here, it can be divided by 2. And also it is the smallest prime number. So all the prime numbers have to be here, but not really here because it only has to be here, like in an L shape. So the highest common factor, it is only these two numbers, just whatever is over here. And then the lowest common multiple, it is all of these numbers, whatever is over here and whatever is over here. So this is how you remember your lowest common multiples and highest common factors. So the H of highest, it is the first stroke is a line, and remember that a line is pretend 3 is over here, so a line, and then we have to times these two together, and that is the highest common factor. And the L, it's like that, so L. How about 3? Okay, I'm just going to complete this first. So 2 divided by 42 divided by 2 is 21. And then we write a 3 here because 6 and 21 can be divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And then 21 divided by 3 is 7. We can no longer divide these two numbers, so we now figure out the highest common factors and lowest common multiples. So remember, the H, first stroke, 2 times 3, and I guessed correct here. It is the 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6, and 6 is the highest common factor for 12 and 42. So then we do the L shape. So 2 times 3 times 2 times 7. It is written like this. 2 times 3 times 2 times 7. But to make it more simpler, it is 2 squared times 3 times 7. So 2 times 3 equals 6, and then 2 times 7 is 14. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then times 14. And then we should get the lowest common factor after we times these two together. 14 times 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. And then 6 times 1 equals 6 plus 2 equals 8. That is 84. So the lowest common multiple for 12 and 42 is 84. Let me just make these. Oops, I accidentally rubbed that out. Here. Oops. So the highest common factor for 12 and 42 is 6. And the lowest common multiple for 12 and 42 is 84. So let's go on to number 2. But first I need to make these smaller because, oh, come on. This always happens. I'm just gonna rub it out because it's more simpler. So then we do the same thing, upside down dividing, and then write 8 and 22 here, and then write a 2 here because 8 and 22 are even numbers and can be divided by an even number, I think. Oh yeah, that is true, I think. I don't know. Wait, no, because 6 can be divided by 3 and 3 is not an even number. Okay, just never mind. Let's just do this. So 2 times 4 equals 8, and 2 times 11 equals 22. And then we can't divide these. I mean, we can divide 4, but we can't divide 11 because that would be. Okay, never mind. I think it's 5.5 plus 5.5. So now there's just one number in the first stroke, and wait. Oh yes, okay. So 2 is the highest common factor for 8 and 22. The lowest common multiple is in an L shape like this, but not like that. It's like a sideways one. So 2 times 4 times 11. 2 times 4 equals 8, and then 8 times 11 equals 88. So the lowest common multiple of 8 and 22 is 88. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe.